Half Moon Bay.
Okay.
Best clam chowder ever.
Okay.
But yeah, we're just here to represent the Coast Guard today.
So you want to be chef later?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, great.
The entire school's lunch, like 5 or 6 of them every day cooks lunch for their entire school.
Wow. We will put the food later in the people choice here. Okay. The winner will be based on the most vote. It's so beautiful. Is this beautiful, guys? Wow. Wow. Look at that. Welcome back to my channel, the David the Amerika. Everything about travel, food, adventure, and daily vlog. Today I'm going to the Clam Chowder Cook-off at the Santa Cruz Boardwalk. This is a clam chowder cooking competition for amateur and professional. The amateur was held yesterday and today is the professional. So it has two categories, Manhattan and Boston clam chowder. The winner will be categorized into people choice, best team, and most tasted. People can try the clam chowder here for the 6 tasting kit and then they can make a vote in here. Before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Also turn notification on so you will not miss my next video. I could not wait to go in. Let's do it. Now we are going to buy a ticket for the tasting kits, guys. This is the line to get tickets for the seasoning pass. And this is the line to get tickets for the tasting kits. Wow, it's crowded. It's already a lot of people in line even though this is still so early. The cost per person is $15 to taste 6 types of the clam chowder.
There you go.
Awesome.
Would you like one of these?
I got one of those
Okay,
already.
perfect. Awesome.
This is a beautiful beach with a lot of ride, and now it's used for the clam chowder cook-off. Is that cool? I think so, right? Actually, we came too early today. This is the time all professional team start to prepare the food. The food will be ready about 3 hours later. That is the time where all the people come in to taste the clam chowders. Hey, where are you from? Santa Cruz here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then this is from Redwood Slugger. There are 2 boxes at the booth. 1 box for the ticket and another box for the people choice.
How you doing?
Hi, good.
Ready for some educated chowder?
Yeah,
Sure. Chowder with a
sure.
4-year degree?
Yeah,
Cum laude?
yeah. Is it Boston or Manhattan?
Huh? We got both.
Okay,
Manhattan
great.
and Boston.
The Redwood Sluggers, multiple winners of the Manhattan,
Okay, great.
and the Chowder Slugs on the Boston side. This year we've incorporated some help and assistance from some of our staff. We got New York here on the Manhattan side.
Oh,
Over on the
hi.
back side we've got Chef Hans and Chef Hillary. They're from the East Coast, one's from Boston, the other one's upstate.
Oh, okay.
So we got it, right?
Where you from, Santa?
UC Santa
Oh, you say
Cruz.
Santa Cruz?
Yes,
Ah,
educated chowder.
I
Chowder with a
see.
4-year degree.
Ah,
Right?
great, great, great. I will be back later.
Okay, very good. What is this?
So right now, it's just started. So everybody who will have a competition started to prepare everything until about 1 hour, and then they have a cooking time about 2 hours. Okay, so we have a lot of time here to explore. I believe that will be so crowded later. Okay guys, because we have a lot of time here, I will bring you to see what look like the Santa Cruz beach. Okay guys, if you see that side is the right, all the right over there. Okay, and on the boardwalk, that is where the clam chowder competition happened. In front of that, in front of this location, in front the right, and the clam chowder cook-off, that will be the beach. Look at that. It's beautiful beach, isn't it? Wow. Right now, the beach looks so quiet because I came too early. But later, several hours from this time, it will be so crowded. It's always so peaceful here. Listening the sound of the wave is like listening the sound of the music. It's so beautiful, make you more calm. It's so relaxing and peaceful. I can be here for hours just to enjoy all of this. Look at that bird. Is that beautiful? This place is really all in one. There are rides, attraction, games, shopping and food. From restaurant until snacks and dessert. It's everything for everyone. This is the tasting kit. Let's find out what's inside. So that will be the cup. Its kit, it has 1 cup, 1 spoon for the palate, for the people choice. Boston clam chowder, that is the people choice palette for Manhattan. This is the ticket to try, so it will be six tickets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 tickets, and then 1 napkin. That's all about it. Okay, so it's kit. You can vote for the best Manhattan style and for the Boston style. Okay. Okay guys, let's go back here to see how it goes. This is from United States Coast Guard. So we will put the food later in the people choice here. Go in, and the taste ticket go in. Okay, the winner will be based on the most vote. Where you from?
How you doing?
Where you from?
So we're all from different stations, but yeah, we're just here to represent the Coast Guard today.
Okay.
I go to school over at Santa Cruz.
Oh,
and I
Santa
work at the
Cruz.
air station.
I see.
Yeah.
So this is all from Santa Cruz as well.
So I believe, well, all of our ingredients are coming just from the culinary specialists. So we brought all I think we bought them for this event. And then yeah, we're getting it all ready. We got Manhattan clam chowder over there and Boston clam chowder over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, let's see later.
All right, have a good day.
Let's see. There are wonderful variety of fun and delicious choices for indoor, outdoor dining and takeout. Oh gosh, it has smoked turkey. Like, that's so big. This place, Boardwalk Grill, provides smoked turkey sandwiches and another delicious food. Corn dog, cheeseburger, garlic fries, ice cream, etc. Yummy. Let's go around, guys.
You'll be standing there on the dock looking at me all day. I'm going to be coming in, taking on me and mates in a game of fucking.
You also can play mini golf here. Let's go upstairs. I think it looks more beautiful to see all activities from the upstairs. Where you from?
Half Moon Bay.
Oh, okay, cool.
Half Moon Bay.
Okay.
Best clam chowder ever.
Okay, great. Oh, is that Fisherman Tavern?
Yeah, it's a restaurant. Yeah, it's a
Ah,
restaurant in Half Moon Bay.
okay, great, great.
Hopefully we get you to come back later.
Yeah, I will try later.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
That is Boston, right?
Both.
Both. Okay.
Manhattan.
Okay.
No bacon, gluten free,
Okay, great, great.
but it
Yeah.
tastes good.
Okay, I will come back to try it. Not only to ride the food, but also there are several stores here. It's like this one. It provides gift and apparel. Well, because it's still too early right now, I'm going to try the corn dog here, okay? Are you open already?
I have coffee and donuts ready for you.
Oh, do you have corn dog?
The full menu will be out at 11 a.m.
Okay then,
You better have them.
thank
We
you.
want to offer drinks and donuts. Coffee, beer, soda, all those
All the
things.
drinks.
Oh,
Drinks and donuts.
okay. Well, they are not ready yet. I want to get the corn dogs, but it will be ready at 11. Look at that. They are still preparing their food. Cutting celery, carrot, etc. Morning. Where you from?
Humboldt County, way up north.
Oh,
Way
okay.
up north.
So you prepare for the Boston or Manhattan?
Boston.
Oh, Boston. Okay, great. Hi.
How's it going?
Good, good. Good to see you.
Ready for the chowder?
Yes, later. Yeah. I will come here later to try it.
Good. Please do.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Right, good.
So you want to be chef later?
I think so, yeah.
Cook
Oh, great.
the entire school's lunch. Like 5 or 6 of them every day cooks lunch for their entire school.
Wow.
Yeah, it's amazing food. So come back, try it.
That's amazing.
Yeah, they're good. They are good chefs.
Yeah. Where's Pacific School? Where is it? Huh? In the Santa Cruz?
It's in Davenport. We make
Hi.
food for the whole school.
Oh.
The 5th and 6th graders
I see.
make food for the entire school of students and
Oh,
staff. For
okay.
About 150 people.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So that will be Boston or Manhattan?
Boston.
Boston?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's
Yeah,
great.
Come back.
Okay, I will try later. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, we come back later. Look at that. Well, the jetty is also preparing food. Okay guys, now it's at 11. Go back to this place. I'm so hungry. I want to get the corn dogs.
How many? 2 regular style?
Look at that guys. The corn dog is so big. I put some mustard and ketchup. Look at that. Yummy. You still can taste the corn. Little bit crunchy. Yummy. And the hot dog itself. It's tender, little bit salty, and tasty. That's definitely for kids.
Good luck, guys. Thank you. Now, if you win, you owe me free chowder.
There you go. We'll do.
I believe they're 15 bucks to get 6 cups, and then it's a matter of walking around.
Look at the crowd, guys. Look at that. It started to be crowded, right?
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
What do you have? Boston?
A Boston today.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Are you tasting?
Yeah, later.
Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. Bacon, the celery, white onion.
Ah, okay. So we'll be
Then we
ready
got
soon.
some coriander, bay leaf, and fennel, and butter, and cream.
Okay, where are you from? Santa Cruz?
Modesto.
Oh, Modesto. Oh, gosh. Okay. Good. I will try later.
Yeah, come back.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Is it Boston?
Boston style.
Oh, but you add
I prefer
more.
New England clam chowder, but that's okay.
Oh, okay. Where are you from?
We're far west Sunday, so we're a mushroom farm
Where?
down in Moss Landing.
Oh, where is it? Osmos Landing?
Yeah, so this is a card for the festival that we're organizing in Felton.
Oh, okay.
But as a company ourselves, we're based out of San Francisco, and we grow them in Moss Landing. We have a store here in Santa Cruz.
Okay, great.
Can we wait here? Yeah, I got another hour
Okay.
at least.
This looks, smell good.
Thank you.
Let's party! And this is Manhattan clam chowder, guys. There is two kind of the clam chowder. The Boston clam chowder and Manhattan clam chowder. Boston clam chowder is the cream piece, and Manhattan clam chowder is the tomato paste. The color is red, and then the Boston clam chowder, the color is white. Now it's more crowded and crowded. Here we go, guys. It's tasting time. Yay! Next in part 2. Hi. Hi. But it's still good. Still have one more food for the clam chowder and Manhattan. Which one I gave it? Here we go.